abantu nyamwinji nibo bayetaba aha mukoro ogwo kushabira omugenzi kandi aba babarimu n'abantu bakuru mu ihanga abarimo muramuzi Bat Katurebe ba minister abarimu Bright Ramirama Ephraim Kamuntu ahamwe n'abandi abibyo butegetsi. Bishop Rambert Beinomugisha niwe yayebembera okushabira omugenzi kandi yashaba abantu kuba eco kureberaho.
Patiri na mwana na mutima w'ukwera. Abana b'omugenzi basimishe bo ngo abira ariyo muntu murungi kandi ari kukunda abantu bona ababire nibamwijaho.
Thank God for putting him in our lives. We were and have always been too blessed to have such a father. That man gave us absolutely everything. Took us to the best schools. Money was not an object or an issue when it came to his kids. We thank him so much for that.
There's not any one of us who can fit into Papa's shoes. But I can assure you, all of us will fit in at least one shoe.
Minister w'ebyesente Matia Kasaija owabajekire mukuru w'ihanga yagira ngubo nk'ihanga baferwa mnonga bari kufera omuntu obire nahereza abanyayuganda emirimo kandi yashaba abana be okumuza ombijere bakakora nko kwabire nakora.
Bone, as you heard, has been the first black Ugandans to buy a airplane. Bone has been the first one to represent Pakistan as a black man here. We have lost, me at times I disagree with the many speakers. They say, what they would say, time has come, we will kill you again. Here Filipona has gone to Ari. He has gone very, very early.
Boni akozire ebintu bingi nko kutandikaho amashomero agarimo Katatumba Memorial, akozire za hoteli ahamwe n'ebintu bingi. Ubwo birari ambassador owa Pakistan omu Uganda kandi akachikora kuruga omwaka ogwa 1998 no kusiana hati. Boni Katatumba aisuro oburwire bw'ekokoro kandi yasiga abana 8 abakazi babiri kandi oguyafa aine emyaka 61 y'obukuru. Amakuru aga gasha kwa Susan Ndiamuhachi.